This IP outdoor station with 2 cameras, one camera for live detection, another for face recognition. Only by people can open the door. If by picture cannot open the door, with light compensation and infrared compensation. So HD camera with light vision. This is a touch button scan IC card. For the visitor, he can press the resident room number to call. For example, the room number is 0101. Confirm. Okay, it's coming to 0101 home. Accept for two-way communication and talking. Unlock for open the door. Many functions here. Monitor the outdoor station environment. Unit outdoor, Villa outdoor can connect with IP camera. IP camera 大华海康 vision is okay by on-wave protocol, low limited. Security, our indoor monitor can connect with 8 zones, can connect with gas detector, smoking detector. If there have anything abnormal, can direct the indoor monitor will ring bell and alarm to the management center directly. Call lift function. If this connect with the elevator system, when the resident press this button, the elevator will arrive to his floor to pick up him and record, photo record, message record, alarm record, call record. Also, VDP intercom, room-to-room call, flat-to-flat call. Core functions you can find by yourself. These have black color and white color full touchscreen to operate. Very popular, hot sale, so cheap.